Are you looking for the best sewing machine for kids? In this video we will look at some of the best sewing machine for kids on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1, Brother XM2701 Sewing Machine. The Brother XM2701 sewing machine works perfectly for the mature kid who wants to learn how to sew. It is also suitable for adults for advanced sewing projects thanks to the variety of stitch options available. Easy to use with advanced features that are a necessity for complex stitch patterns, this is the best entry-level choice for children or beginners no matter what age. The LED sewing light, one-step buttonhole, foot pedal and free arm are all nice features to have that aren't on all of the sewing machines on the list. Inexpensive and reliable. Many different stitch options. Free arm for quilting. Perfect beginner sewing machine. Excellent sewing machine for kids. This sewing machine isn't any different and is great sewing machine for kids too. The excellent instructional DVD will be a hit with lot of users. This is one of the best sewing machine for kids you can buy today. At number 2, Singer 1304 Start Free Arm Sewing Machine. The Singer 1304 Start Sewing Machine is a neutral color basic sewing machine featuring a white design with blue accents. This is the perfect for tweens, or boys who might not appreciate the color in some of the other machines. Easy threading is offered, with diagrams printed on the right side of the machine. Setup is made simple, and users can quickly adjust between 6 different stitches along with a 4-step buttonhole that allows you to add buttons to any garment with ease. Twin needle sewing is provided thanks to the dual spoon pins that make this machine perfect for hemming or decorations. Everyone will love the free owner's class that's provided to help you learn how to properly thread and set the machine up. You'll also find that this model has a heavy-duty frame and 3 presser feet, which make it easy to get started. I highly recommend this machine for beginners or kids who want to get a feel for sewing and don't need to be overburdened with a slew of different features. This is one of the best sewing machines for kids and beginners. At number 3, Singer Tradition 2277 Sewing Machine. If you want a powerful machine that's also great for kids, it's going to be the Singer Tradition 2277. This model is feature-rich, yet it's one of the best sewing machines for beginners. I don't know that I would recommend this model to children as young as 5, but I can definitely see tweens and teens using it. An ideal choice for entry-level users, this sewing machine comes with a 25-year limited warranty and more than enough features for teens to master sewing on the 2277. The model has a built-in needle threader to eliminate the need to painstakingly thread a needle. You'll also have a dust cover included and a variety of presser feet are included. A quilting guide, needles, caps, bobbins, spools and other sewing accessories are included too. The Tradition 2277 sewing machine is a great kid-friendly choice and a perfect sewing machine model for first-time sewers. At number 4, Brother CS6000i Computerized Sewing Machine. Brother's CS6000i Computerized Sewing and Quilting Machine is a step up from the 3232, and it's ideal for intermediate sewers of all ages. If you want to buy a sewing machine that children and adults will enjoy, this is it. It's been an editor's choice for years. The CS6000i is the right choice machine for teens and adults. What's great about this machine is that it can be used for quilting, and there are 20 decorative stitches for non-clothing projects, too. Speeds are controlled with the push of a dial, which is perfect for kids that often have difficulty properly controlling foot control speeds. With easy threading and an automatic needle threader and drop-in bobbin, you will be able to start your next project much faster with the Brother CS6000i. Easy sewing speed control slider allows for consistent stitching speeds. Ample built-in stitches for all sewing projects. The CS6000i requires a lot of cleaning. With the small nooks and crannies, it can be difficult to clean the unit thoroughly. Most likely an adult will be needed to keep this machine at its optimal condition. Aside from this one minor complaint, the CS6000i is a sewing machine that can handle kid and adult projects with ease. It also has advanced features to allow intermediate sewers to enhance their skills. This one is not just a sewing machine for children, as this is something they can grow into as they learn to sew. With amazing online reviews and the Editor's Choice Award, the Brother CS6000i sewing machine is one of the best all-round machines you can buy today. At number 5. Donyer Portable Mini Sewing Machine. The Donyer Portable Mini is a machine that is specifically designed for kids. Compact in size, this model helps improve a child's imagination and offers hands-on sewing skills at an inexpensive price. We recommend reading the instruction manual before use. Designed to be a machine for a child, you'll enjoy high-quality sewing for projects of all types, including jeans. Low speeds are also offered to help kids as young as 5 years old sew their next project. A foot control and a push-button control are offered. These double controls allow kids to sew with either their foot or hand. The Donyer is designed for children, and there are a lot of buyers that expect to purchase this low-priced model and have a professional machine. You'll be disappointed if this is your intent. This sewing machine is meant to help them learn how to sew with key features and ease of use. And when it comes to young ones, this is one of the best inexpensive sewing machines for kids on the market.